Good morning to all of you. I, Professor B.S. Deshmukh, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department of Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj Polytechnic, Nasik. The subject is Emerging Trends in Mechanical Engineering of TYME students. Today we have to discuss on supercritical boiler. In previous lecture we have to discuss on the what is mean by the supercritical boiler, and we have to discuss that the supercritical boiler is also known as the supercritical steam generator. In previous lecture we have to discuss on the specific advantages of supercritical boiler. Then we have to discuss on the subcritical boiler. Now today we have to discuss what are the advantages what are the similarities between subcritical boiler and supercritical boiler. The firstly we have to discuss on similarities between subcritical and supercritical boiler. The basic operational mechanism cycle of both subcritical boiler and supercritical boiler is same. Means the operational mechanism of both boilers are same. Also the operational cycles of both subcritical boiler and supercritical boiler is also same, except for the drumless evaporator in supercritical boiler. Other constructional features are also same. Means the drum like structure is present in subcritical boilers and which is absent in the supercritical boiler. And other than drum, all the constructional features of both the boilers are same. The techniques of both subcritical and supercritical boilers use similar equipments and strategies in operation, that is air preheater, economizer, turbines, condensers, boiler feed pump, etc. Means the techniques which is to be used in subcritical boiler and supercritical boilers are similar. Means the similar equipments are used in both boilers, that is air preheater, economizers, turbines, condensers, boiler feed pump, etc. Now we have to discuss what is the difference between subcritical and supercritical boiler. Firstly, we have to discuss the similarities between subcritical boiler and supercritical boiler, and now we have to discuss the difference between subcritical and supercritical boilers. Here is the some points are to be mentioned. First, what is subcritical boiler and supercritical boiler means the explanation. Second, difference is on the temperature basis. Third is on pressure basis. Fourth is on drum basis, and last one which is based on the bubble formation. Now we have to discuss on the difference between subcritical boiler and the supercritical boiler. First is the meaning of the name. Subcritical boilers are boilers that works temperature up to 374 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 3208 psi, which is the critical point of the water. These things is to be discussed in last lecture. Is the what is the subcritical boiler? The boiler that works the temperature up to 374 degrees Celsius. We know that, and the pressure is to be 3208 psi, which is the critical point of the water. Now we have to know about the supercritical boiler. Supercritical boiler is the boiler which is known as a supercritical steam generator, is a type of boiler that works under the supercritical pressure condition. In previous lecture we have to discuss as the supercritical boiler works up to the temperature near about 550 to 560 degrees Celsius, and the which works from 3 to 10 pressure is the basic pressure. Now we have to discuss on the temperature. Subcritical boilers are operated at temperature 374 degrees Celsius, near about 374 degrees Celsius. Subcritical boiler works, and the supercritical boiler are operated at a temperature of about 538 degrees Celsius to 565 degrees Celsius, which is much more as compared to the subcritical boiler. Subcritical boilers are operated at a pressure of 3208 psi, and the supercritical boilers are operated at a pressure above 3200 psi. Basically 3208 psi is the critical point of the boiler. Now we have to discuss on the construction or the equipments is to be used in both boiler. Subcritical boilers are composed of drums. Basically the drums are to be present in subcritical boiler, and in supercritical boilers are drumless. Means the drum, which is the main component of the subcritical boiler, is absent in supercritical boiler. Last one, which is bubble formation. Bubble formation is a major drawback in subcritical boiler. We know that if the bubbles are to be present, then there will be not good for boiler, or is the bad thing of boiler, that is due to the bubble there is oxidation is to be happen, and in a supercritical boiler there is no bubble formation. Supercritical boiler there is no bubble formation in supercritical boiler, means the bubbles formation is not happening in the supercritical boiler. Now we have to discuss on the subcritical versus supercritical boiler. Now we have to discuss the subcritical versus supercritical boiler. Subcritical and supercritical boilers are two forms of steam generator that are used for the electricity generation. स्टुडंट्स, आपल्याला माहीत आहे की सबक्रिटिकल बॉयलर्स आणि सुपरक्रिटिकल बॉयलर्स हे बॉयलरचे दोन फॉर्म्स आहे किंवा हे स्टीम जनरेटरचे फॉर्म आहे. आणि हे दोन्ही बॉयलर कशासाठी यूज केले जातात तर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशनसाठी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशन प्लांटमध्ये हे दोन्ही बॉयलर काय केले जातात, यूज केले जातात. These are categorized as such based on their operating condition. हे दोन्ही बॉयलरचं जे काही कॅटेगरायझेशन केलेलं आहे किंवा दोन पार्ट्समध्ये डिवायडेशन केलेलं आहे हे तर कशा बेसिसवर केलेलं आहे, त्याची जी काही ऑपरेटिंग कंडिशन आहे त्या बेसवरती आपण काय केलेलं आहे त्याचं कॅटेगरायझेशन केलेलं आहे. The difference between a subcritical and supercritical boiler is the subcritical boilers works at a subcritical pressure of the fluid, whereas supercritical boilers works at a supercritical pressure of the fluid. जो का डिफरन्स आहे सबक्रिटिकल बॉयलर्स अँड सुपरक्रिटिकल बॉयलरमधला की सबक्रिटिकल बॉयलर्स कशावरती वर्क करतं ते सबक्रिटिकल प्रेशरवरती वर्क करतं फ्लुइडच्या. And supercritical boilers work on the supercritical pressure of the fluid. सुपरक्रिटिकल जे काय प्रेशर असतं फ्लुइडचं त्या बेसिसवरती ते काय करतं, रन होत असतं. ओके, हे आपल्याला डिस्कस करायचं होतं आपल्या सेकंड चॅप्टरमध्ये की डिस्कशन ऑन द सुपरक्रिटिकल बॉयलर. तर आपण बघितलेलं आहे की सुपरक्रिटिकल बॉयलरला स्टीम जनरेशन असं म्हणतात आणि एक बॉयलरचा टाईप्स आहे. आणि सुपरक्रिटिकल बॉयलर्स ॲट सुपरक्रिटिकल प्रेशरला काय करतं ते तोपर्यंत वर्क करतं. आणि बेसिकली जे काय सुपरक्रिटिकल बॉयलर आहे हे इलेक्ट्रिकल पॉवर जनरेशनमध्ये यूज केलं जातं. त्याचे ॲडव्हान्टेजेस आपण बघितले की फॉर गिवन आउटपुट लोअर फ्युअल कन्झम्पशन अँड दस लोअर कार्बन इमिशन्स दॅन अदर लेस इफिशियंट सिस्टीम्स. द लोड चेंज रेट कॅपेबिलिटी ऑफ द सिस्टीम इज नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड बाय द टर्बाइन. Steam temperature at the inlet and outlet of the reheater is nearly constant over a wide load range. The boiler feed water pump power is significantly reduced at lower loads, short startup time, higher plant efficiency over the entire load range. And the subcritical boilers are that works at temperature 374 and pressure 3208 psi. Then we have to discuss the similarities between subcritical and supercritical boiler. After that we have to discuss on the difference between subcritical and supercritical boiler. And last point we have to discuss with the subcritical versus supercritical boiler. थोडक्यात त्यांचं कंपॅरिझन आपण या इथं बघितलं की त्यांच्यात काय काय सिमिलरिटीज आहे आणि काय काय डिफरन्स आहे. ओके, उरलेला पार्ट्स आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला बघू. थँक्यू.